Hi everyone, welcome to Touch to Click. In this video, I'll show you how to change admin on Windows 11 step by step. Now let's get started. Step 1. Click the Windows icon on the taskbar to open the Start menu. This is where you access apps and settings. Step 2. Click your account and switch to an administrator account if needed. Only an admin can change account types. Step 3. Search for Control Panel and open it from the results. This is where advanced system settings are located. Step 4. Click User Accounts inside Control Panel. This section manages profiles and permissions. Step 5. Click User Accounts again to open more account options. Here you can adjust account settings. Step 6. Click Manage another account to see all users on the PC. This lets you edit other accounts. Step 7. Select the account you want to change from the list. Make sure it's the correct one. Step 8. Click Change the account type. This allows you to switch the account role. Step 9. Select Administrator to give full system access. Step 10. Click Change account type to confirm. The account will now have admin rights. Thanks for watching and subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful videos.